Hi everyone, my name is Kat McDowell. Today I want to share one of my absolute favorites, and it's one of the easiest too. The thing I love about the origami butterfly is just how easy it is, except it doesn't really look easy. When you look at the final thing, it looks a lot more complicated than it is. So let's go. We're going to start by folding corner to corner, and if you have colored origami paper, put the colored side down. If you don't have two colors, that's totally fine. All right, so we're gonna fold it in half. Okay. And open it up. Now what we're going to do is we are going to flip it. So flip this paper over and fold side to side, so into a rectangle. Now flip it back. Alright, and you'll probably see that these inside parts kind of stick up a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to take these two center parts and bring them down like so. You're going to start to get a triangle, and then you're going to take the top and just squash it gently. So you're going to have what kind of looks like a pyramid. You could even put it here. Does it look like this? I hope it looks like this. Okay? So we're going to be here. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this side, this corner, to the top. And this corner over to the top. Okay, and then we bring this corner up here. See this? Amazing. This is how it should look. Now we're gonna flip this. We're gonna flip this so that it's now facing towards us, and we're gonna bring this over here. So leave the wings behind. So leave the wings behind. Bring this corner up to the top here and create a crease mark right here. So you don't need to do it all the way. You might find that this rolls over a little bit, and that's okay. Just create it here like this. Now let's flip it over. See this? Okay, and we're gonna bring this head over the top here. Just curl it over. It should be centered. For some reason mine is not. Why is that? Oh well, it's close enough. Okay, so we have this like so. Almost done, guys. This is so fast. Okay, and then we are going to fold this in half. So fold this over like this. Fold it in half. Like that. You start to see the butterfly now? You could leave it like this, but I like to kind of open this up. Like so. So you kind of create a crease right here. The triangle is. Open it up. Just pinch it here. Open it up. And you have this beautiful, beautiful butterfly. So easy. How did your butterfly turn out? Let me know in the comments, and if you do take a photo and post it on social media, make sure that you tag me in it. I would love to see your photos, and I will share them. I get to see them. So, if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more origami videos, make sure you click on my series up here. If you liked the music that you were hearing, you can hear more of my music over here. And if you want to see more of these in the future, make sure that you hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!